Wow. Okay.
Was that large?
What did I have on?
Did I just...
Did you hear my... I told you it sounds like a pterodactyl. Should be cute with like some flare jeans. Did you?
He's like,
Oh,
like a
my
alarm,
stomach.
like a phone.
Oh, thank you, Jessica. I know. My stomach's trying to sell y'all the shirt. Brand new. Brand new. My stomach is growling so loud, like rattling my backbone. Oh, Janie, I will scan that. I will scan those in just a second. This one I have on. Did you hear that? That was my stomach.
No problem.
That was my
He's
stomach.
almost 6 months, Lauren.
I am in the 5.
We only have two size 11, one size 15, a size 16, and then we got 20, 22, 24.
My stomach's growling too. I'm
Ours
surprised
over
y'all
here
can't hear
our
it.
stomachs are bouncing
I'm
back and
back.
forth talking.
All right.
My stomach's yelling again.
Mine too.
Is it?
Yep. With Monday 15. And
His
this
stomach's
is.
yelling now.
Huh?
Her stomach's over here yelling now.
You hear her stomach growling? They're talking. Our stomachs are talking to each other.
I'm guessing Marcy heard your stomach too.
Did she hear it?
She's laughing.
Oh, it was so loud. I'm surprised they didn't hear it at Walmart. Oh my gosh. That thing just rattled the walls. $13.
She says she heard it.
Y'all heard it? That's embarrassing. You remember like sitting in class and you'd be taking a test and it'd be so quiet and your stomach would growl and you're like so embarrassed. Oh gosh. She said I heard it. Woo. It's lunchtime. We hungry.